Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your Amazon search history. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to clear your search history, here you can see the search bar. You need to tap on it. It'll show you all these search histories at the top with the blue fonts. As you can see, I have searched for Kelme futsal shoes, Adidas sliders. Now, in order to clear these search histories, here you can see the cross icon right beside it. You just need to tap on it on each line. And there you go. That's how you can easily clear your Amazon search history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.